It's a big setback for the BJP in the state of Telangana. Telangana BJP's controversial leader T. Raja has resigned from the party, expressing strong disappointment over state leadership. In his resignation letter to the current Telangana BJP chief G. Kishan Reddy, the Goshamahal MLA has lodged strong protest after several reports claimed that the Saffron party has chosen N. Ramchandra Rao as the next state chief. Raja has claimed that the decision to make Ramchandra as the new state boss has come as a shock to not just him but also to the lakhs of BJP workers. He has also asserted that for most leaders, self-interest trumps BJP's cause and that the party needs a strong leadership in the state. Now, 66-year-old Ramchandra Rao is a High Court lawyer and also a former Telangana MLC from the year 2015 to 2021. He has been associated with the BJP for over 4 decades and also headed BJP's Hyderabad unit in the past. Now, it is being said that the central leadership has cleared his name and he will most likely face no one in the race and will be elected unanimously today.
हम ऐसे काम करेंगे जो प्रेसिडेंट कोई काम ही ना करे, कोई निर्णय ना ले, हम जो बोले प्रेसिडेंट वही काम करेगा, उठो बोलो तो उठो, बैठो बैठो बैठो, ऐसा ही प्रेसिडेंट का अगर आप चयन करेंगे तो कोई कार्यकर्ता पार्टी में काम नहीं करेगा। हमारा भी दम घुट रहा है, इसलिए हमने राम राम किया है आज पार्टी को। लेकिन एक बात है, भले हम बीजेपी पार्टी में रहो या ना रहो, लेकिन मोदी जी के, योगी जी के, अमित भाई जी के हम कट्टर समर्थक रहेंगे और बिना पार्टी में रहे हम मोदी जी के कार्यों को, अमित शाह जी के कार्यों को, योगी जी के कार्यों का हम प्रचार करते रहेंगे।
नए अध्यक्ष आएंगे और जहाँ तक समाचार मिल रहा है 2-3 नाम वहाँ हैं, उसमें मेरा नाम भी चक्कर लगा रहा है। मैं समझता हूँ कि अभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी तेलंगाना में बड़ी अच्छी परिस्थिति है और ज़रूर आने वाले दिनों में भारतीय जनता पार्टी आने वाले दिनों में तेलंगाना में अपनी सरकार बनाएगी। जनता भी चाहती है कि तेलंगाना में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार हो।
So, big setback for the BJP in the state of Telangana as T. Raja has resigned from the party, expressing strong disappointment over the state leadership. Now, in his resignation letter to the current Telangana BJP chief G. Kishan Reddy, the MLA has lodged strong protest over several reports claiming that N. Ramchandra Rao will be the next state chief. In fact, my colleague Abdul Bashir is now joining us with more details on this. Abdul, setback for the BJP in the state of Telangana. How is the exit of T. Raja going to impact the party in the state?
Well, T. Raja Singh, who is an MLA from Goshamahal, he has bagged this seat earlier in the previous term when BJP was not having any representative from the Legislative Assembly here. He was a lone representative here. That is what his claim is, that he is 3 times MLA. And when the party has several other MLAs and MPs who are capable of being assigned for the leadership of the state, why did the party choose a person like N. Ramchandra Rao is what he's claiming. But when we talk about N. Ramchandra Rao, he's been active. He's been an active politician. He's been a former MLC, and after the state leadership support is what he filed his nomination yesterday between 2 to 4 p.m. And now he's set to become the new president of the Telangana Pradesh Bharatiya Janata Party. So here, what is happening is that T. Raja Singh claims that he must also have been given a chance, or the other MLAs or MPs, because BJP needs a proper growth. And he also stated that if the party would have given him a chance, he would work like Yogi Adityanath in Uttar Pradesh. So this is what he said. So particularly disappointed over the leadership, he sent his resignation to the state BJP chief G. Kishan Reddy.
All right, Abdul, thank you for getting us those details on T. Raja's resignation from the Telangana BJP.